morning. We are doing some hiking today, 15.5 kilometers. Ask Steven what's the name of this mountain, because I'm not gonna say it properly. Steven, there you go, 45 minutes in. Liberty in Quebec, I swear. Look at this guy. Yep. So now we are going there.
I've been seeking for the glory. Say my name. And I've been trying to write my own story in the search for fame. I'm sitting here in this empty room. Walls keep tumbling down. Cause I ain't got nobody. I always feel so lonely when the day is through.
This little lake, it's higher than where Steven is. Is that cute or what? Oh, where is bushwhacking? Go! Where's Papa? Go! Slur? Are we Slur? Are we almost there? Are we? Are we going to Miam Miam? Steven is eating blueberries. They're really good. Look at this.
I try to get everyone to see me.
Steven says this one looks like a haystack. I mean, a little haystack. It's worth the hike.
Cause I ain't got nobody. So lonely when the day is through. I'm in the spotlight, not home till midnight. I want somebody to hold my hand. Cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of high. I used to spend time with all my friends, but who's gonna like me if I'm not there? Cause
it's funny, we just came back from these two. So we are hiking out right now, and we are getting closer to that plane crash. Just to see how it looks. The hike was really, really nice. Easy peasy. We are almost 4 hours in, and we will be out soon. Oops! Someone doesn't know how to fly. A plane. We did it. We did it. 5 hours and 3 minutes, 8.25 miles. It was a really, really awesome hike. Not too difficult, not too easy. Whistler? Whistler is tired. He just wants to go to the van. It was nice. Steven, did you like it? Report! Report! Whistler! It's dinner time. Steven is cooking. Yep. It smells so good, it's not even funny. It's gonna be my favorite dish. Look at this. One life baby. Onions. No, it's called dal, whatever. Well, obviously my accent. It's Indian food. It's gonna be, oh, cannot wait. I'm so hungry. Look at this. And it's freaking cold outside. We are inside.
What? But is tired. Yes.
I am so hungry. Look at this thing cooking. You could only smell it. Look at this. Meow meow. Fire time. Getting our breakfast ready. Whistler! With a very peaceful music. We have eggs. We have everything. And then we're gonna go and paddleboard. Because look at this lake. I'll go paddleboard. Nice music. Very relaxing. Very soothing.